And for our next meal is called Buta Shogayaki. So ito siya. So meron siyang favorite ko, yung cabbage. Meron silang service fee, so free yun ha. You can ask for it if you want. This is pork strips guys, yan, with cabbage and yung mayo. Yung mayo nila is QP, yung favorite ko yung mayo. I used to buy that when I was in a different country. So talagang pinapapak ko siya kasi nga masarap. So authentic siya from Japan, rich with cabbage, napakasarap na and the pork strips. Now I want to inform you about the tare sauce. Composed of onion, garlic, ginger, and carrots. So ito yun yung sauce na yan. Nako, Diyos ko. So, ano pa bang gagawin natin? Dito ka, Chema!
Irasama sir.
Oh my God! Oh my God! That's no joke. This food is really good. Sobrang sarap, promise. Hindi mo maintindihan yung lasa. Kasi ang sarap ng QP. Ang sarap ng cabbage, syempre. Tapos yung pork strip, tapos yung onion, yung garlic, yung ginger. So ganito siya kainin guys ha. Kainin nyo to. Kainin nyo to.
Parang
Ba't kainin nito?
tapos yung isa po na
Hands down. Walang halong lira, walang halong exhaust. Hindi dahil I'm shooting a video for them. Pero, may lasang Pinay talaga siya. So, if I'm going to describe you yung taste niya, manamis-namis siya, sweet. Tapos, hindi mo mararamdaman na kumakain ka ng, let's say for example, you're not eating onion. Kasi diba may mga tao naman na hindi kumakain ng onion. Ito kakainin mo kasi nga para ka lang kumakain ng cabbage, ng mamatamis ng meat. Napaka-tender ng meat niya, lambot, and hindi sila makakano. Yung alam yung umay, yung kuta, ang sarap din ng sauce niya yun. So lahat sila nagbabalance and compromise and all that. Sabi nga, it's giving. Nakubitin yung one way sa akin. Umuhok.
Balitan skin tayo may general. Inatod kasi
Happy family na naman tayo ngayon. Ng buhay? Perfect. Alam mo, this is for all ages, lalo sa mga bata. Pag di sila kumakain ng you let them order this. This is really good. I am inviting everyone to visit Kuchimasa and try this dish. Tapos, sabihin nyo lang, napanood nyo siya, you show any video, then you follow the page, and then you follow me. Okay? And then from there, they will give you 10% discount. And then, follow me, follow ko sa page, show any video, kahit ano, panapanood nyo, they will give you 10% discount. Okay? Tatlong kanin nila. Kulang. Sarap. 100% satisfaction guarantee talaga. Alam ko iba-iba panlasa ng Pilipino. We have different taste or taste buds. Hindi lahat na-appreciate. Pero I'm really sure this one, they will love it. Lalo pag nahilig sa tender. Sarap.
Ano, naubos mo?
Malapit na. Sarap eh.
Sarap eh. Ayaw na akong bigyan.
Kaya mo yan. Gusto mo bang kanin?
Matsalap, di ba? May kanin eh. Gusto mo pa? Huwag na. Hindi nga. Meron pa eh.
Paulot naman eh.
Ayun na. O, kawan.
Paref Ano nga pala, Kushimasa is before siya, skewers siya. House of skewers. So, meron sila din mga inihaw-ihaw yung sarap mo. Yun hindi ko pa natatry eh. Para sooner or later, matitikman ko rin yung skewers ng Kushimasa. Huling-huli sa camera nang hihingi ng rice. Di ba, only rice? Actually, this is not only rice. I just requested for another rice. It's because it really tastes good. Nagre-request pa nga ako ng cabbage. Ano ba yan? Stop. Japanese rice yan na. Authentic. Ang sarap. Kasi, may resemblance siya ng katsudon. Kaya gusto ko siya. Alam mo naman, di ba? Katsudon is my comfort food. That's why. Ang dami ng tao. Hindi ko ito makakalimutan. Hindi ko talaga ito makakalimutan.
Kulang pa?
Ito, kulang. Hindi isipatan nila, mahina ako nga. No. Alam niyo, dito na lang ako natuto subscribe. Finish! Again. So yun guys, in order ko na buta shugayaki, it cost 370 pesos lang. Akalain mo 370 pesos lang. Ganun na siya karami. Sobrang busog. Sobrang fulfilling yung pakiramdam. Solve ako as in. And then sa sa morning, pwede mo siyang orderin. Asset na siya. So, nasa 390 pesos siya. Pero kapag yung a la carte siya, 370. Then if you're going to order the rice, plus 100 pesos lang. Oh, ano? Sobrang sulit. Pero, grabe. Nakadalawa akong rice. Oh, diba? I'm so strong. It's really good. I like it so much. Kasi nga, may resemblance siya ng katsudon mo ng which is my comfort food. Paulit-ulit ko sinasabi. So, yun. Again, guys, I'm inviting everyone to please do visit Kushimasa Japanese restaurant located at Mabini Corner, Pedro Hill. Malapit lang sa Lawi Hotel and Robinson's Place, Manila. And again, just follow me, follow the page, show any of the food that you saw sa aking social media, and then from there, you'll get the 10% discount. Okay? Tapos pagkasama nyo ako, secret. Basta pagkasama nyo ako. Ha? Okay? Alright, so, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for today's video, VIDJOE. I'll post a QR code, then, ayun naman, please, libre naman yun. And also, I'm encouraging everyone to visit Pink Lady. Pink Lady is just around the corner. Pwede nila kayo samahan. It's a Music KTV Lounge na merong mga guest relation officer na pwede kayong samahan namin kumanta, mag-enjoy all through the night. Kaya wag na kayo mahiya. Visit us na. Let's go! Again, this is Joe for today's video. Peace on Earth. Bye-bye!